Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of the Go-tcha band. So, like I said, when you do finally get to the actual main website, which is a pain to get to navigate to the actual website, you go into how long does it take to charge and stuff, how long does it last, which, don't know why the information is not printed anywhere on the box or on this piece of paper, which, I mean, they say this is your instructions, but it's not. This is useless. What's on here is kind of useless, except for, I mean, down here, the website, kind of useless. The QR code, maybe. The App Store, yes, useful, but a lot of the information, they don't have it. So, I don't know how good you can see on the camera here about the time and stuff, but the charge says, so I'm going to read it just because I don't know if the camera's actually pinning, all this stuff up on there. Anyway, so it says, a full charge takes approximately 1 hour. So, charge your device 1 hour. And the device will last 12 hours. So when you're out and about during the day, doing your daily thing, going to your job, hanging out with friends, driving. Because, it's kind of illegal to be like, no, officer, I wasn't driving, Johnny. I was driving and trying to catch Pokemon in the Pokemon Go. That's why I got in this car crash and I was swerving all over the road. So yeah, these things are kind of must if you're going to go like, let's play Pokemon Go while we're driving. These things are definitely a must. Unless, you're a passenger, then yeah, you can obviously play Pokemon Go in a car with your phone. But if you're a driver, be safe. Pick yourself up one of these. Be responsible. That's so, like I said, to charge the device, a full charge, 1 hour. How long is the device going to last? 12 hours before it needs to be charged. And if you go into like standby mode, standby time is approximately 48 hours. So 2 days in standby. Like, if you have it, just, leave it in your wristband. And, you're not going to play for like 2 days. Then you have 2 days of approximately, excuse me, standby battery life, but like during the whole day, 12 hours, which I think is pretty good. 12 hours for a whole day before it needs to be recharged, and only an hour to charge it up again. That's pretty awesome right there. They did say that on the iPhones, if you're using this on an iPhone, there was a little bit of an issue on there, but they did try to nip that issue and take care of it. But if you use like an Android phone like I'm using, there shouldn't be any issue with it. So let me open this, close that up. Not close it, but you know what I mean. So it's saying that you could run this in the background. Let me definitely turn the volume down. Don't want to get any BS copyright strikes. Which, I mean, I don't see why. I mean, it's the Pokemon Company, which, the Pokemon Company is awesome. It's not, Nintendo, because, Nintendo's an a-hole. That company's just a big a-hole. But, the Pokemon Company is like, dude, you want to promote Pokemon stuff? Go for it. Awesome. Power to the Pokemon trainers out there. But Nintendo's like, ugh, we own Nintendo. We are Nintendo. Pokemon Company's like, I don't care. That's free publicity right there in our favor. See, the Pokemon Company knows where it's at. Power to the trainers. Nintendo has no power at all. Because, they think they have all the power like they're Thor or Zeus. There ain't nothing. So yeah, that's why I said, just in case, I will turn the volume down. And, because of YouTube, but, if you're like, oh, how come I don't hear that sweet Pokemon music going, playing in the background of the video? That's why, just in case. But, yeah. So then, how do you set this thing up? You click the Pokeball, you go here to Settings, and then I already kind of linked mine up. Then you go to Pokemon Go Plus, and let me turn this thing back on. Give it a second here. And you do need the Bluetooth on, so definitely make sure you turn the Bluetooth on. It says available devices. I'll tap on the Pokemon Go. And now it's starting to circle around the Pokemon Go. Little logo there. Connect to Pokemon Go Plus. That little pink warning just came up. And it just moved. So it is auto catching Pokemon for me. You can see it. Right now it's... And as you can see right there, it just said, I just caught 10 Pokemon or 10 Pokemon. So let me go ahead and claim my 10th reward. Okay, we see this Magikarp here. Now, if I hit bat out, let me see what's going on here. And we do see the Pokemon Go Plus logo. So even though this is not official, Pokemon Go Plus D on your wrist, the logo will still line up. Let me check. Oh, I gotta claim my rewards here. Yeah, like I said, Pokemon Go Plus, you caught a Pokemon. Yeah. Okay. Don't know why the thing kind of keeps turning off on me, but you can see the LCD screen. So, there's currently no Pokemon in my area right now, if we look around here. But it was like about 2 seconds ago, and you saw it like caught that Magikarp and stuff. Actually, what did I catch? I mean, the Magikarp I had to do manually, but before the Magikarp, oh, I caught a Jigglypuff. No, Jigglypuff ran away. I caught a Ponyton and a Squirtle. Plus, it also said Pokemon research complete 10, catch 10 Pokemon. So yeah, and this Ponyton, that Squirtle, all from this device right here. So I mean, this is pretty awesome. Now I don't know what the range is, at Pokestops, because I mean, there's a lot of Pokestops that I'm like right next to, and this stupid little circle that radiates from your body needs to be a bigger circle, needs to have bigger radius, because I mean, like look, let's say here's the wall right here, so obviously that's where I am, and you see this first little green bar right there. It's like, look, it's barely touching it, and be like, no, you actually got literally walk across the street. Okay, see, a new Pokemon just popped up there, and Manchup just ran away, it said. And I was kind of out of Pokeballs. I was actually on 0 Pokeballs, and I got 3 Pokeballs and 1 Great Ball. So I mean, obviously the range on this that I'm always seeing on the Pokestops is way better than without this, just doing manually like, ooh, I gotta find a Pokestop, like, as see right here, let's see a Pokestop, if I could get to go. Yeah, like, see? It says, walk closer to internet with this Pokestop. And I noticed that it's already doing its job, so I mean, this thing for like $45 from GameStop definitely is doing its job. And just to do it, let's go to the GameStop website, because I definitely want to try to see how much is the official Pokemon Go dingy. Not ding, you know what I mean. The little bracelet thing. So let me type in Pokemon POK. Oh, hold on. Let me go back. I'll just type in Pokemon Go. That should usually bring the whole Go menu up. And let's see the okay, so if you want, you know, the original bracelet, let me see if I could get this to go a little bit better picture. Yeah, the original one, the Nintendo and Pokemon official license one, 35 bucks, not that bad. So you have 35 bucks for this one, and 44 for this one. What's the difference? You know, this one you could get stickers that you could put on there. Just stickers, which costs, like I said, between 3 and like 27 bucks for a freaking sticker. So you're not staring at this, you know, weird little Pokeball design. And it doesn't really tell you much of anything. I mean, it vibrates, I think, and it shows different color lights, like red, yellow, blue, green, pink, I think. No, I'm not sure if there's pink, but a lot of people are saying like the red doesn't look red, as you can see on the top of the Pokeball. It looks, you know, like pinkish stuff. So, yeah. And this one, let's see if we could get the camera to focus here. So it says Pokestop in range, and it kind of looks like the, you know, little Pokestop that, you know, you see right here on the phone that, you know, you gotta go and spin it. So it has that symbol to let you know if you could get glancing at it, like, if you're like, wait a minute, I'm close to a Pokestop. I know, because usually I have to get out, walk, or stop my car at this Pokestop. So it'll let you know. Then it says Pokestop items collecting, so it actually shows you that it is collecting items at your Pokestop. Pokemon found would kind of look like a little Pokeball on the bottom, and almost like a Nintendo Mario, the square brick that he breaks, but only with a little question mark all around it. Pokemon card would show a little Pokeball that's like up here, you know, that's open with a little check mark. Yeah, you caught it. Auto catch mode. And then you can set it to on and off, and then recharge battery, and it shows you the battery status. Now,